What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be share with you how you can easily make $100 or even more per day with Instagram even if you have zero followers, because I'm going to be share with you how you can get 5,000 followers in just 1 month. Okay, so guys, stay with me so you do not miss any of the secret. But before we jump into the video, I have a 100% free training that is going to teach you how to make $100 every single day, and after this training you can easily make $100 every single day. Okay, and if you are in the niche of making money online, entrepreneurship related niche and business related niche, then be sure to hit the hit the subscribe button of the channel so you do not miss any of the videos. Okay, so now what we are going to do to make $100 every single day, guys. Okay, let me share with you the blueprint. Let's say you have a 5,000 followers, because I'm going to be share with you how to get 5,000 followers. Okay, just in a minute I'm going to share with you. Okay, so if you have 5,000 followers, let's say you are only getting 10% Instagram engagement rate. Generally the average Instagram engagement rate is 20%, but I am only going to take 10% Instagram engagement rate. And you should post at least 4 to 5 times every single day to grow your Instagram account fast. 10%, that means you're going to get 500 likes on every post. Okay, it's very easy, you can easily get this. Okay, if you have 5,000 followers. So now if you are going to post 4 times a day and you are going to provide the valuable stuff, like you are not going to sell anything every single day. Okay, let's say you are going to sell in every 5 days one time in every 5 days. Okay, just one time in every 5 days you are going to sell. Okay, and in just 5 days you are going to make about 20 posts. So out of 20 posts, if there will be only one promotional post, no one is going to care about that. Means no one is going to hate you, everybody will love you. Why? Because you are giving lots and lots of value, just 5% promotion and 95% value, so everybody is going to love. No, even they are going to buy much and more and more stuff from you. Okay, so if you, let's say you are only getting 500 likes on your promotion post, because you can easily get 10% conversion. That means all of these 500 guys are interested because they are liking your post, they have liked your promotion post. And now only and only 1% of this guy, 1% of this 500 are going to buy your course. Only and only 1%. 1% is very less. It has been proved that 90% or even more guys are interested in taking action on the Instagram. Okay, so if you are going to sell $100 course, okay, if you are going to sell $100 course, then you can easily make $500 by selling $100 course in every 5 days. That means if you are going to do this in just a month, you will be able to do this 6 times. Okay, so you can easily make $3,000. That means it's about $100 every single day, guys. So you can easily think that making about $3,000 is not a big deal. Okay, but now you might be thinking that no, if 5 are not going to buy, then what? Let me share with you one more thing. Okay, so as per this, about 5 guys are going to buy 6 times. Okay, 6 times, that means 30 guys will buy. Okay, that means 30 guys will buy, and all of these 30 guys are really interested. But let's say only and only out of not 30, only and only 20 are going to buy. Okay, only and only 20 are going to buy. 20 means, that means if you are going to promote them upsells. Okay, what do you mean by upsells? Do you know the meaning of the upsells is let's say you have promoted $100 product. Okay, and you are going to promote them a more product of about $200. Okay, and thereafter $300 product, and if only out of those 20 guys, only 2 guys have bought a $500 product, that is an upsell. So you have also made the $1,000. So you can again think how much the great potential is. So literally think about it. Making about money with Instagram is really easy. The only thing you need is followers, and I'm going to share with you how you can get lots and lots of followers. So first of all, we are going to go to the Instagram and we are going to search for our niche. Let's say my niche is the affiliate marketing, so I have searched for that. Okay, so look at this, all of these posts are really viral. So what we are going to do, we are going to pick up these posts. Okay, look at this, 2,000 likes. we are going to post this post again on our wall. Okay, we are going to give the credit like repost hash at the rate this guy acropreneur. Okay, so we are going to do this. This is the first thing. We are going to use a viral post to make to grow our Instagram account. Okay, if we are going to do 5 posts in a month, we will be having about 150 posts, and if only one can get a tons of likes, our account will start growing very fast. Okay, so the second thing we are going to do is we are going to use the bot. Okay, we are going to use the follow and follow method. You can, even if you have Android, you can get the tool called Zarway, or even if you have kind of iPhone, you can use kind of that is Captivate. Okay, so we are going to use the bots for that. Every single day we are going to follow and unfollow 800 guys. So when you are going to follow and unfollow 800 guys, you will see at least 10 to 15% are going to follow you back. That means you can easily get 100 followers every single day. 100 followers. Okay, so 100 followers, that means 3000 followers. Okay, it's not the dollar. Okay, 100 followers, that means you can easily get 3000 followers just with this method. Okay, just with this method. Okay, so 3000 followers with this method. And the third thing we are going to do, we are going to engage in the community. Okay, you can also use the bots for this purpose. Okay, it depends on you, whatever you want to do. You just need to go and like and comment on other people's posts. When you will do so, you will see that your Instagram account will really start flying, because people will also engage with you. But what you need to do, look at this acropreneur. This guy might be having over 40,000 plus followers. Okay, so we are going to do this. We are going to take the time. We are going to turn on the post notification. Whenever this guy will post, we are instantly going to leave a comment and like on this post. We should be the first one, or we should be within the first 10. Okay, because people really care about those who engage in the community, and after that there will be 2000 plus likes. So out of that 2000, if only 20 to 50 guys are going to follow back us, then we can really get a lot of followers. 20 to 50 followers just from one like. We can do 10 to 20 likes every single day, and out of that we can again get 100 followers every single day. Plus, if all of these posts are going to go viral, plus we all are going to we all love to interact with the guys who are really active in the community. So people are going to see this post. They are going to like to follow us. They will see that this guy is really active, I should follow this guy. Okay, so this is the another hack of getting lots and lots of followers, and it's very easy. You just need to like and comment. The fourth hack, this is really going to change the account overnight, my friend, overnight. Okay, we are going to use the power of the already established accounts. Okay, so what we are going to do to do this, okay, what the hell, okay, we are going to do this. What we are going to do over here, Instagram DM groups. We are going to use the Instagram DM groups. Basically, these are the groups where there are more than 10,000 plus followers. Basically, it's a community. All will be more than 10,000. All will be more than 100,000 followers. So we are going to reach out to 10 guys every single hour and tell them that I have a community of 10,000 plus followers. I have a community of 50,000 plus followers. I have a community of 100,000 plus followers of about 10 members, 20 members. You are going to send the message to 10 guys every single hour. Okay, when you are going to do that at least 90% is bare minimum, because everybody want to grow their account. 90%. So if you are going to do this 5 times, that means 50, and out of 50, if only 40 guys are going to go come with you, you have already established a group of 40 guys from zero. Okay, so this is the ultimate hack. You have 0 followers, and if the 10,000 plus followers are gonna to like your post, your Instagram will see that this post really doing well, I should promote this post. Okay, because they really care for the post which really interacts big account. Okay, so this is the another hack that can really make your Instagram account fly overnight. Okay, people really don't care. You might be thinking, they will say that you are only having 0 followers, how can you help us grow? But it really works. Just try this at least one time. You within just 2 or 3 days, you will having a group of 40-50 members. Okay, so it really works, guys. It really works. The fifth thing is you are going to post the viral post of about 4 to 5 times a day. Do not go below this, otherwise you will lose a lot of engagement. Okay, so this is the ultimate another hack, and as I've already told you how you are going to sell. Okay, let me share with you another thing. Let's say you are going to do a story every single day. Okay, you are going to story, and on every story you are going to get 100 views. 100 views, not 100 views, 10%, it's about 500 views. Okay, and out of 500, okay, there will be about 500. That means all are interested, that's why they click your stories. So if another 5 guys are going to buy with you, 5 guys, and if you are going to again sell only $100 product, you have made over $500. Okay, and you can sell the upsells to these guys. They have bought $100 product, sell them a $200 product, sell them another $500 product, and out of that 20-30 guys, because in a month you are going to do this 6 times. Okay, 6 times will not be too much will not be kind of look like salesy, because you are going to give the valuable stuff every single day. Okay, so out of 30, if only and only 3 if only 1 guy is going to buy a $500 course, then you have made extra $500. Okay, you can use both stories and pictures. Out of that you can easily make $1,500 from here and $1,500 from there as well. Okay, so I have shared a lot of tactics to grow your account, and really guys, these things really works. Okay, you have to, but you have to give time. The only condition over here, you have to give time. Okay, the ultimate hack is nobody is consistent, and that is the way that because of that nobody is making money. Okay, just start taking this action. You can easily make $3,000 in just 1 month, and after that you can invest it into the paid traffic. You can do the shout outs for your account and anything, then you can easily grow your account very fast. You can run the Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and whatever you want. Okay, but be sure to take your free training to make $100 every single day, because I really hope that you are going to get a lot of value from this training, and I will see you in the next training.